Welcome to Genie App Builder. This is enterprise vibe coding, turning your business context into live, governed applications automatically. So what does that actually mean? Genie combines two things: your business context, the documents, conversations, and ideas your team already has, with governed enterprise data sitting safely in your data platform. Put those together, and the result is a live enterprise app. No traditional coding required. It's a fully managed environment where any team can build simply by uploading context. Here's the build process, step by step. First, a user uploads their business context. Genie then generates a live build plan automatically, and within seconds, a working app preview appears, already connected to real, live data. Of course, speed means nothing without trust. That's why Genie App Builder is built on uncompromising governance. Every layer, the application itself, the security layer beneath it, and Unity catalog at the foundation, comes with permissions, access controls, and cost governance baked in from the very first prompt. Let's see this in action. Albertsons used Genie to decode the 4 P's of merchandising: product, pricing, promotions, and placement. That's a genuinely complex, tangled data landscape. Genie's decoding filter turns it into organized intelligence, a merchandising app showing sales volume, margin analysis, promo lift, and stock levels, all explorable in plain natural language. Foot Locker took it even further, scaling enterprise intelligence across their North American banners. Their Genie Executive Insights app gives executives and business teams one centralized space to tap into AI-driven decisions, self-service insights, available company-wide. All of this points to one bigger idea. The future is data democratization. Genie App Builder is entering private preview now, with one ultimate goal: making curiosity, data-informed decision-making, and innovation possible at every level of the company. If that sounds useful, it's time to join the private preview.